Hey guys, welcome back for another cleaning motivation video. Back at it. We are having some cleaning done, of course, but also we're going to be putting a bunch of Christmas decorations up. We're going to be putting up the tree. We're going to be getting that up, and also guys, be trying out my new rug cleaner. Yes, I'm in love with it. I'm not going to give in any details until you see the video, but it is awesome. Like, I love it. It's better than the last one. The last one just broke down on me. It started smoking, and I guess the motor just went bad, so tossed it. I saw this one on Amazon, and I was like, good ratings. It looked good. I wanted to try something new, so I did it, and I do not regret it. So we're going to be checking that out. We're going to be using it and doing, like I said, some Christmas decorating. So I hope you guys are ready, and let's just get to it. Let's get started, and here we go. Hey guys, welcome back for some Christmas decorating and also some cleaning motivation. Just showing you guys the shopping I did when I was just going out and getting some stuff I needed to do the decorating. So I got myself a bunch of stuff and also my favorite candles that were on sale at Bath & Body Works. Let's begin. So now I'm just straightening out everything. You see my little rugrats on the side there, going bananas, dancing to the music. So, you know, getting everything put to the side. They're just excited and happy to be helping with the tree. Now I'm just vacuuming and getting the tree out and just gonna start putting it all together.
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting.
I had the husband there help me out, and it was just an awesome feeling just having the family do it all together.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be.
Voila. So yes, it is definitely coming together. So right now I'm just moving on to the dining room. I'm going to be putting up a bunch of decorations. I started with the table. I just wanted to just pull off a nice cute look, something simple, decent, and of course looking nice. Also, I have all my stuff here to the side that was pulled up from last year. I'm going through everything old and new and just seeing how I could just put everything together. This the season, guys, to be jolly and broke. I said it. Yes, I said it. No. Broke with all the decorations, the gifts. Oh my God, the gifts, especially with everything just being overpriced and expensive. It's crazy, but we do it, right? We do it because we want to just give it our all and have a Merry Christmas, right? Right now, I'm just enjoying it, putting these decorations up, enjoying the joy it gives my kids and that happiness.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around.
I was pretty happy to find all these little goodie goods, all this stuff I found at Walmart. I was able to find it at a good price, and it was able to fit in so well with the stuff I had last year, so I was happy about that.
The first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you.
Now guys, I got a new carpet cleaner. The one I had just failed on me, so I bought a new one, and this is the Bissell carpet cleaner. And let me tell you guys, it is awesome. Like, it is awesome. You see how I pulled it out of the box. It's very small like the other one. I think it's a little bigger. You can see it holds a lot more water, and like the containers are a lot bigger, but it's still lightweight. Like, it's still very lightweight. It's so easy to use, and it does an amazing job. As you can see, I had like this big white stain under where the area rug was at. I pulled out the area rug. I'm going to be putting a new one on, but for right now, I think I'm just going to put a holiday rug from Amazon. I'm going to be putting it down. It was too small, and as you can see, having the area rug on the carpet for so long just made the color change. Like, now I have two different colors. So what I need to do is buy a big enough carpet to put down just to cover like the two-tone colors.
Everything till we perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is.
It really did do a great job though. It really cleaned whatever stain was on this carpet. It took it off, and as you can see, it just held so much more water, and you're gonna see in a minute, boom, that nasty dirt. Like, it was gross. Yes guys, it was awesome. I loved it. You seen how good it worked, and I did not have to keep on filling up the tank with water. Just with one fill up, it did like the whole living room. And yes, I know my living room's not that big, but in the other one, I had to constantly keep filling it up about 2 or 3 times, and it was just a pain in the butt. So happy about that. It did a great job, and it was just so much better. So yes. Now I'm just going back to the dining room, finishing it up, and moving on to the windows. I'm just going to be doing something just, you know, simple. Wrapping around some ribbon on this curtain rod, and just so it could give it a little cute look.
Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile, the feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, I've been good, but I can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now.
So here I'm just working around the railing and putting some lights up, trying to work it out so it can just reach the input. So it did work out, thank God, because I was struggling a little bit, but it did work out, and it did actually look pretty cute.
I know the Santa Claus is coming. Oh, little bad toys.
Now just adding these cute little flowers to give it a nicer touch, and just to make it look, you know, give it that little bedazzle.
Coming, I know the Santa Claus is coming. Santa is coming. I know.
Yes, so I think it came out better than I thought it would, and it definitely did work out. Now I'm just showing you guys how the tree turned out. It turned out so beautiful, guys. I fell in love with it. It's awesome. I was iffy on going with some black because, you know, black and Christmas it doesn't mix too well. But no, it definitely worked out. Putting some black colors in the tree, I loved it. I definitely loved it. The lights actually just makes everything pop, and I'm just loving it, y'all. It just came out really nice. Alright guys, we are finished. Hope you guys were able to do just some cleaning and also some Christmas decorating. Yes, Christmas is on the way. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you back in the next one. Have a fabulous day and see you.